Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 in the Allure specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's. It comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof, 18-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. There's sat nav, the radio has CD player and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 41,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.